Okay, now I'm going to introduce a couple more ways to use the short form. Let's take a look. So this is a person, she's wearing a kimono. I think she might be Japanese. That's what I think. I can show what I think using this new phrase. 日本人だと思います。日本人だと思います。日本人だと思います。Out here it's really cloudy. There's a lot of dark clouds gathering in the sky. So I think it might rain. 雨が降ると思います。雨が降ると思います。雨が降ると思います。Looks like it's gonna be 4 degrees today. Tomorrow it's gonna be minus 20. Ugh. 明日は寒いと思います。寒いと思います。I think it will be cold tomorrow. So, I think she is Japanese. I think it will rain. I think it will be cold tomorrow. This is our way of expressing our opinion or giving a guess in Japanese. Our way to say, I think, blah, 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 blah. So, to say I think in Japanese, we want to take the short forms that we've just studied and put them together with to omoimasu. So the verb omoimasu, omou, this is one of our new verbs for this chapter that means to think. And this to is kind of like a quotation mark particle. So wherever you see to, we kind of imagine sort of imaginary quotation marks. Or I guess in English, when we read a book and sometimes they have the character's thoughts, they put it in italics, right? This to is giving us the hint, like this is the part in italics. This is the part in quotation marks. The thing that we are thinking or the thing that we are saying. So to and then omoimasu, to think. So our short form sentence plus to omoimasu. 日本人だと思います。or 雨が降ると思います。So one thing that is a little bit tricky with this と思います is that in English we say I don't think blah blah blah, right? I don't think she is Japanese. I don't think it will rain. But in Japanese, when we say I don't think something, we don't want to change と思います. Instead, we change this short form part before と思います. So basically, instead of saying I don't think it is, we say I think it is not. So this と思います, in other words, we really can't change. We just keep it the way it is. Instead, we have to change this short form part before it. So if it's sunny, instead of 雨が降ると思います, I might say 雨が降らないと思います. So I think it will not rain. 雨が降らないと思います. So 皆さん, let's try to practice making some sentences with と思います. So we'll start with this first one. So I think it's good. So if we want to say that something is good, it is good, we say いいです. いいです. So to make いいです into short form, we're just going to drop the des. And we have い plus our ending と思います. いいと思います. I think someone will study tonight. So I have 勉強します. I want to change it to just the dictionary form. 勉強する plus our ending, I think, と思います。今晩勉強すると思います。How about I don't think she is short? So this is one where we have to make this part negative. So she is short. 背が低い. If I want to make 背が低い negative because it's an E adjective, 背が低くない. And our ending, と思います. I don't think Mary likes Takeshi. So first we have to say Mary doesn't like Takeshi. メアリーさんはたけしさんが好きじゃない. And then our ending, と思います. I think Mr. Tanaka will come. So just first we have to say Mr. Tanaka will come. 田中さんが来ると思います。田中さんは来ると思います. So we have our short form sentence, and then we want to stick on the ending, と思います.